quick video to show you how to get into the shared drive. From my files, there is a drive designated with this S. It's the shared drive. If you click into that shared drive and you go up to District Staff Shared, you'll find a whole file with Aimsweb. And there's just a whole mess of probes that you can use. As well as the probes which are available here. You can go into MComp, you can go find 3rd grade, you can check out what's in 4th grade as well. You have access to MCAP, 3rd grade and 4th grade. And also you can check out the norms if you want to. There are the national norms for MCAP or MComp. Just a quick reminder that the MCAP are the computational probes. They, adding and subtracting, multiplication and division. The MCAP is more of a skill-based test. Not only will I give you a couple samples so you don't have to dig into this file, I just want to make sure that you have access to it. Remember that Aimsweb is not a diagnostic, it's just a screener. So by giving these quick assessments, you're going to get some information to argue whether he's appropriately placed in 4th grade math or should he be back in 3rd grade. So I hope these quick assessments are going to be helpful.